In this video, we will be looking at the sys module in Python. We will see how to use the sys module to access different kinds of system-related works. So let's dive into the code. Hello friend, this is CodeCraft, where you can learn code fastly and efficiently. I will be making a simple Python file here and name it sys_module.py. And I will put the sys module in order to use it. So the first question is that what actually sys module do? The sys module, like the sys.argv Python, it gives us access to all sorts of system related functionalities. Whether you are dealing with command line arguments, platform detection, or memory management, sys has your back. Now the first example I'm going to show you is how to take the command line arguments. How to take the argument from the command line using sys module. So if I simply go here in the command line and type python and sys_module.py and simply run this. Now this will run the sys_module.py Python file. Now if I type space and say hello, and if I run this, now this hello is the command line arguments given to the sys_module.py process. So how we can capture this? You can also do this by typing space and welcome. This is the second command line argument. And now how the question is that how to capture this command line argument. We can do this by using the sys module. So if I simply type here print sys.argv, now the argv in sys module is used to capture all the command line argument in the form of list. So now I'll simply run this and maximize this. So here you can see it returned a list, but the first argument was the actual file. And now if I simply run this from the command line sys_module.py and I give another argument hello, welcome. So here you can see the sys.py, the first the file is the first argument, and hello the second, and welcome the third. This is how you can use this sys function attribute of the sys to capture all these arguments. So that's how you can use it. So the another attribute I'm going to show you is used to detect the OS you're currently in. So I'll simply type here print and use the sys.platform attribute. This is used to detect the platform you are currently using. So if you simply run this, so here you can see Win32. It means I'm currently in the window operating system. So if you are on Linux, you will see the function something like this. So this is how you can use it to detect the OS. So next function is sys.getSizeOf, which allow us to return or measure the memory usage of Python objects. Python objects can be list, can be a tuple, can be a dictionary, can be a string. Anything in the Python is an object. So if I simply make a list here, li equal to, and I'll simply call the getSizeOf function, and here I have to give an object as an argument. I'll give the list and run this. So here you can see the size of this object has returned in bytes. The size will be returned in bytes. This is how you can use it. So next is not a function but is an attribute sys.module, which returns a dictionary containing information about the logic modules. So if I simply type here print sys.modules and I simply run this, so here you can see the all module that are loaded to this Python script has been printed out. This is how you can use it. So next is sys.version attribute, which is used to provide information about the Python interpreter version and also useful for compatibility checks. So here I've simply type print sys.version and run this. So you can see the Python interpreter version has returned. This is how you can use it to check the compatibility also. So next is, if you want to terminate a program, you can use the sys.exit function by simply take an import I equal to import and say type something, and I'll simply put a check here if I equal to exit, then call the sys.exit function. If I simply run this, so here you can see type something. If I type example hello, now this program will be exit. I'll do one thing, I will put a while loop here, while and run this and give tab here. Now I'll simply run this and here says type something hello, type something, I say exit, so you can see the program has terminated. So this is how can you use the sys.exit function. I hope you will have enjoyed the video. That's all in this. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel and also press the like button. Thanks for watching the video.